Hey everyone, this is Tyler from JLMI, and I'm here to tell you that we started a new style of workshops. No longer do we only conduct them here directly from JLMI, we also conduct them outside of the company as well, throughout Tokyo at a variety of places. And not necessarily all 5 of the activities per se, but in particular the Fukikaya, or the Japanese anime voiceover workshop. And it's mainly to give you all a small taste of what it's like to be a Japanese voice actress or a Japanese voice actor in the world of anime. So for more information on when and where these events will be taking place, be sure to check us out at our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and at our Twitter account as well. And we'll have links down below for each of these accounts, so be sure not to miss them all. And if you have any questions or comments or simply want to reach out to us, never hesitate to do so. And we very much look forward to seeing you at some of our future events.